Welcome to the most ridiculous day of riding that you will ever see. Hey, John!
Hey, this is no good for the footage. We can't see through the smoke.
Yeah, can you, underheat? Go help him.
I actually made it.
Nice.
You need a hand?
Yes. Yes, he does.
Brian.
I need a hand looking at him.
I actually made it up there.
Go help him. I can't see through the smoke. Hey, John, let's give a quick wave to the camera. All right, buddy. Perfect timing. Thank you, buddy.
I ghost ride this every single time.
Go help him. He's got to pull that front around. Quit looking around your whole life.
Whoa, shit. Which way? You turning around or you coming up?
Has anybody got any Meadows? All right. Hey, Dawn. What would IRC tire guy do?
Thrust.
Hey, lift that end up. Lift it up. No, other way. Lift that up. He ain't getting that up. Lift that back end up to the side. There you go.
One more. Back up. Yep, you're up. You're up.
I'm a director.
I got it. I got it.
All right, take it easy.
Wait, let me get up first.
This is a video of Skippy walking up the hill. Good. Get down. You're gonna have to help people.
I made it up.
All right. I told Skippy to help you all, but he said I made it up.
I go that way.
Just hit it. Get the front tire over it.
Stay over this way.
Go!
Hit it.
Nice. And just lift that back to the upper side of the hill.
Whatever way you want to go.
Oh,
Can I start it?
that sucks.
Can we lift it?
Yeah, it's light.
You were smoking?
Oh, come on, baby.
Damn.
Yep.
Free flash on that ECU, it really pumps the oil, man.
Does it?
Yep.
Can I start it?
Perfect.
Yeah. Up that front end up too high. I thought I was way over the bars too. Don, you're supposed to stay on the bike.
Oh, good thing I had gloves
Your
on.
hand okay? Yeah. You fucking hit your hand, didn't you?
I know I did.
I think you ripped your glove.
Huh?
You might have ripped that glove.
That's okay. No, that's okay.
What'd you hit?
The tire.
You got it.
A lot of momentum.
Go back. Go back a little further. Go back. 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 Go back.
I was in third.
Go back. Dawn, head up. Look up the hill. Come on, hit it. Go up the hill. He's barely on. Brian, this is epic. Like, this is just a... We call this ass cam. Here comes Ed. Head, hit it, hit it. Nice.
Hit it.
Hit it, hit it, hit it. Go,
Good,
go,
good,
go,
good.
go, go.
Stay right there.
Nice job, Ed.
Go, 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 go. Nice.
Oh, damn. The YZ. Oh, this is going to be a good video. Hit it. You got it. Hit
A
it.
lot of momentum. A lot of momentum. There you go. Nice. Very good. Very good.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Excellent.
Head up. It's all right. Go back again. Hit it again. Go back. You got to hit it again. You got to hit it again. Nice. Who the hell just fell there? I'm filming the wrong shit. I should be filming Brian. Now who's going to help me get up this hill? Oh, there we go. Yeah, no shit. Nice job, guys.
Down now and come up this one. Yeah, it just bumped it, but the studs were. I'm glad I had gloves on.
I thought I saw some white. I thought you ripped it. I guess not. Or maybe up here.